Good morning, everybody. I think by this time you know that my way of playing hooky from being an art educator or somebody that does art and lives for the purpose of visual art is that I play hooky by playing a little guitar in the mornings. I could have worse things to play hooky doing. All right, so I'm playing hooky, playing a little music when I shouldn't because I'm not very good, but I try anyway or something like that. So very quietly because the neighbors are sleeping. Bear with me. Hope you enjoy. Well, I built me a sail, sail on down the Mississippi River, or something like that. And I offer my gratitude to the Doobie Brothers because that was, it's kind of like, sounds like, well, I built me a raft and she's ready for sailing. Oh, Mississippi, keep on shining your light. Or something like that again. I really want to come up with my own stuff to the extent that I don't have to apologize and give, to an extent, I'll always say that every song has already been written because it's all a long, continuing human noise we try to make as beautiful as we can. And we pay our homage just as much and maybe more to wolves howling and singing. Really, they're singing to be continued.